Honor Magic 6 Lite is now official. It has a very similar design to what we already saw with Honor Magic 5 Lite, but it has some renewed things that fans will undoubtedly like a lot. It integrates a 6.78-inch AMOLED display with a resolution higher than Full HD+. That is, some call it 2K. This screen has 120 Hz in its refresh rate and a peak brightness of 1200 nits. In addition, its dimming rate is 1920 Hz for quite comfortable viewing, even at night to prevent your eyesight from fatigue. The device arrives in orange, black, and emerald green color versions. The processor is the Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 with a Adreno 710 GPU and a capacity of 256 GB of storage and 8 GB of RAM. In the photographic section, there are no surprises, just like its predecessor. The main camera will be 108 megapixels and will probably be the most attractive, but then it has an ultra-wide 5 megapixel camera. And to finish off, a 2 megapixel macro camera that is totally useless in my view. The front camera has 16 megapixels and we will still find a very good level of protection as it had 5 stars in the SGS certification, so it withstands drops very well. It has in-display fingerprint reader and its battery is 5,300,000 amps with support for 35-watt charging, which doesn't sound like a very high power. However, it is a battery that has a good lifetime certification, as Honor promises that after 1,000 charge cycles, its capacity is going to be reduced to 80%, which is a degradation that usually other smartphones reach with 800 cycles. So it has a very good lifespan and comes with Android 13 out of the box, together with Magic OS 7.2. In this aspect, we could possibly complain that it does not come with Android 14, being a device that has just been introduced. In other issues, it maintains a very light and very thin design, having a weight of just 185 grams and a thickness of 7.98 millimeters. Interestingly, this device is very similar to the Honor X9B, but the latter device has a Dimensity processor, although the rest of the specifications are practically the same. Last year we saw that Honor launched the Honor X9A for some regions and exactly the same device, but with the name Honor Magic 5 Lite was launched in other regions. It seems that in this new generation we'll also have a strategy of 2 different names, but they will also have 2 different processors. At the moment, its price has not been announced, but it is expected to be unveiled on December 27th in Europe. Surely in 2024, we will see it in Latin America and other regions.